Okay, pathway of fermentation. And in this process, first one is polysaccharide. Polysaccharide in the form of starch in the form of polysaccharide, and starch is converted into glucose. First one is starch. Starch is converted into glucose. Then glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. And when glucose is converted into pyruvic acid, this process known as glycolysis. Okay, this glycolysis. After that, pyruvic acid is converted into different products forms such as lactic acid, butadiol, propionic acid, acetic acid, butyric acid, and ethyl alcohol. When pyruvic acid is converted into ethyl alcohol, then this process known as alcoholic fermentation. No, and when pyruvic acid is converted into butyric acid, then this process known as butyric or butylic fermentation process. Okay. When pyruvic acid is converted into acetic acid or succinic acid, this or ethyl alcohol, then this process known as mixed acid fermentation process. Okay. When pyruvic acid is converted into propionic acid, then this process are known as propionic fermentation. Okay. When pyruvic acid is converted into butadiol or carbon dioxide, the butadiol fermentation process. Then this known as butadiol fermentation process. Okay. When pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid, then this process are known as homolactic acid fermentation. These all are the different types of fermentation process and the pathway of fermentation process. First process is alcoholic fermentation, butyric fermentation, mixed acid fermentation, okay, and propionic acid fermentation, and butadiol fermentation, and homolactic acid fermentation. सबको समझ में आई? No problem, anybody. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. Now I show you different types of fermentation process. Okay, and different types of macroorganisms which take place in the process of fermentation. Okay. Now, different types of fermentation process. Types of fermentation. Fermentation. First one is alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation. Okay. First one is alcoholic fermentation. First one is alcoholic fermentation. Okay. Alcoholic fermentation is a process in which alcoholic fermentation is a metabolic process in which pyruvic acid is converted into ethyl alcohol plus carbon dioxide. Okay. Okay. It is a process in which pyruvic acid, yeah, you also say that glucose is converted into ethyl alcohol ethanol भी कर सकते हो, ethanol, and you can also that ethanol and carbon dioxide carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. I can also say that CO2. CO. Okay, CO2. Carbon dioxide. In the presence of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. In the presence of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, yeah, you can also that Saccharomyces species. Okay, Saccharomyces species. Okay. The alcoholic fermentation, first one is alcoholic fermentation. Okay. Then second one is homolactic acid fermentation. What the homolactic acid fermentation? Second one is homolactic acid fermentation. Homolactic acid fermentation. It is a process. It is a process, metabolic process. Okay, it is a metabolic process. Metabolic process. It is a metabolic process. Okay, in which glucose is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide in the presence of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, then homolactic acid fermentation. Then it is also a metabolic process in which glucose is converted into lactate. Okay, it is a metabolic process. It is a metabolic process in which what happened to you, Mohit Singh? Mohit Singh, what happened?
Sir, I have a doubt.
What?
Saccharomyces is SP. What does this mean, sir?
This one is a species, Babu. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, genus and species. Okay, species. S-double-P is a species and Saccharomyces genus. Okay, there are various types of genus in Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces genus and species. Saccharomyces is a genus and cerevisiae is a species. Genus and species. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And homolactic acid fermentation. Homolactic acid fermentation is a process in which glucose is converted into lactate. In which glucose is converted into lactate. Lactate. Okay. In the lactate. In the presence of macroorganisms. In the presence of macroorganisms. Lactococcus, in the presence of lactococcus. Okay, lactococcus. Genus and species you always written in italic form. Okay, underlining or italic form. Okay, lactococcus. Then this one is homolactic acid fermentation. This one is second one. Fermentation process is homolactic acid fermentation. In this process, glucose is converted into lactate in the presence of lactococcus. Okay, lactococcus. Lactococcus is a macroorganisms. Okay. Now second one is heterolactic acid fermentation. Now second one is heterolactic acid fermentation. Heterolactic acid fermentation. Heterolactic acid fermentation. Okay, fermentation. In this process, fermentation. In this heterolactic acid fermentation, glucose is converted. Into lactate plus ethanol plus carbon dioxide. Okay, glucose is converted into converted into lactate plus ethanol 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 okay ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus CO2 okay plus carbon dioxide okay in the presence of which are macroorganisms in the presence of Leuconostoc in the presence of Leuconostoc in the presence of in the presence of Leuconostoc okay Leuconostoc Leuconostoc okay now hydrolactic acid fermentation hydrolactic acid fermentation. In this process, metabolic process, glucose is converted into lactate plus ethanol plus carbon dioxide in the presence of Leuconostoc. And Leuconostoc is a macroorganisms. Okay. And next one is propionic acid fermentation. No, propionic acid fermentation. Propionic acid fermentation. In this process, glucose is converted into glucose. मैक बंद कर लो सब लोग. चलो ठीक है. Glucose is converted propionic acid fermentation. It is also a process, metabolic process, in which glucose is converted into propionate. What one? Propionate, है ना? Propionate, ठीक है? Propionate plus acetate plus carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. Okay, plus carbon dioxide in the presence of propionobacterium. Okay. Now third one is next one is mixed acid fermentation. Mixed acid fermentation. In this metabolic process, glucose is converted into ethanol, lactate, acetate, and succinate, fumarate, and carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide, and H2. Okay, H2. This one is mixed acid fermentation. In mixed acid fermentation, glucose is converted into ethanol plus lactate plus acetate plus succinate plus fumarate plus carbon dioxide and H2. in the presence of E. coli. 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 Now, second one is butanediol fermentation. Okay. Next one is butanediol fermentation. Okay. And after that, butyrate fermentation, acetone butanol fermentation, or homoacetate. Now, butyrate fermentation. Now, butyrate fermentation. Butyrate fermentation. In this process or metabolic process, glucose is converted into ethanol. No, butyrate. Sorry, butyrate. Butyrate plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plus H2. H2. Okay. This one is butyrate in the presence of Clostridium. Presence of Clostridium. In the presence of Clostridium. Presence okay. This one is butyrate fermentation. Now next one is acetone butanol fermentation. Acetone butanol fermentation. Next one is acetone butanol fermentation. Acetone butanol fermentation. In this process, glucose is converted into. In this process, now acetone butanol fermentation. In this process, glucose is converted into butanol plus acetone. What's happened with Singh? Mohit Singh, what happened to you? Butanol plus acetone plus carbon dioxide plus H2 What happened to you, Mohit Singh?
यस सर सर आपने जो अभी बताया कॉलिस्ट्रीडियम बोटुलिज्म सर ये कैन फूड बैक्टीरिया है क्या?
बैक्टीरिया नहीं, मैक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से बाबू
जी, तो ये वही कैन फूड वाला है ना सर? तो सर ये मतलब जो कैन फूड होता है वो ये ब्यूटेरेट फर्मेंटेशन से रिलेटेड होता है क्या सर?
कौन सा फूड? एक बार रिपीट करो।
कैन फूड सर।
मैसेज करो चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज करो।
ओके सर।
हाँ
ओके सर।
ओके। इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ Clostridium. The presence of Clostridium. And next one is homoacetic acid fermentation. And last one is homoacetic acetic acid fermentation. Last one is homoacetic acid fermentation. Homoacetic acid fermentation is a metabolic process in which glucose is converted into acetate. Okay, glucose is converted into acetate. Glucose is converted into acetate. Glucose is converted into acetate in the presence of acetobacterium. Acetobacterium. Bacterium. Okay. Now, yeah, it is a food bacteria. Mohit Singh. Now, these are the pathway and process of fermentation. Okay. First one is alcoholic fermentation. Second one is homolactic acid fermentation, hydrolactic acid fermentation, propionic acid fermentation, mixed acid fermentation, and butyrate fermentation, acetone butanol fermentation, and homoacetic acid fermentation. These all are the different types of fermentation and pathway of fermentation I show you in this presentation. Now, no, किन्हीं को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछ सकते हो. किन्हीं को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछ सकते हो. प्रकाश कुमार, दीपेश, जावेद, कैनाथ, रितु, सुरुचि.
थोड़ा सा
किन्हीं को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछ सकते हो. चलो ठीक है, अब इतना ही रहने देते हैं. ठीक है, आज का क्लास इतना ही छोड़ देते हैं.
यस सर.
ओके, है ना. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर से हम लोग और भी होंगे तो और भी पढ़ाएंगे. ठीक है ना. तो आज पाथवे एंड प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्मेंटेशन पढ़े हैं. ठीक है, इसको नोट करो, इसको नोट्स, है ना, इसको नोट्स बना लो. हाँ, नोट्स बना लो अपने और कॉपी में बनाओगे. और साथ साथ में किसी दिन हम आप लोग तो प्रेजेंटेशन भी बनाए हो, है ना. प्रेजेंटेशन हम धीरे देख लेंगे आप लोग का, है ना. मोहित सिंह, एसिटोबैक्टीरियम. हाँ, लास्ट माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म नेम एसिटोबैक्टीरियम हो. शुभम कुमार, प्रभात. चलिए ठीक है. ओके, अब मीटिंग को एंड करते हैं. ठीक है. ओके,
थैंक यू सर.